WINT stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. First thing that I want to mention and start by saying is that Windtree Therapeutics is just almost 11% down on Friday. Weekly performance wise, like it's 17% up. But before I gain this further, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, documented all of it on my YouTube channel, and specifically looking at WINT here. It's just a bearish market, man. Like, I know I'm not supposed to kind of come here and say it's a bearish market because people, right? But it is, right? It's even gave me a second break. And I've talked about it before. I was not immediately going to short, but like I was like, yeah, if the price shows me that it wants to go down by breaking even lower, you better know. I'm looking to continue and double down on it. So yeah, it has happened. It's not volatile up to my liking, so I'd rather just stick on the sideline still. But yeah, it's such a bearish bias for me. It doesn't mean that I'm going to immediately short, you know. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.